cotton candy!
Hi, I'm Kelly, Queen Bee of Queen Bee Mixology, and I'm here with my sidekick, Cindy.
Hi.
You're like a little kid.
There's cotton candy here.
Oh my gosh. So today we're going to do something completely different. And I've seen these drinks all over the internet, you know, cotton candy this and cotton candy that. But this one caught my eye.
Because of the cotton candy?
Yes. Well, that's what I'm talking about. It's cotton candy.
Well aware.
It's a cotton candy margarita. Just a little bit of background. The classic margarita literally only has 3 ingredients. It's lime, tequila, and triple sec. So our cotton candy margarita has 3 ingredients. We are gonna do tequila, lime, and cream soda. This is gonna be very interesting.
This is gonna be sweet.
Yes. Did you know that cotton candy only is made from one thing? No, 2.
2.
Sugar and air. It's true.
It's true. And it was invented by dentists.
I know. I wonder why. Is it because
They needed the clientele.
we are gonna fill the glass?
Fill it.
We are filling the glass with cotton candy.
I love it.
Ah, a little bit of yellow.
Mm-hmm. So pretty. Perfect. A mountain of cotton candy.
What do you think? Okay.
I love it.
All right, we're gonna start with some tequila. We're gonna do 2 ounces of tequila. Here we go.
I think
might
you put a
add
little bit more in there.
We're gonna do some cream soda.
Yep.
Can you open that for me? Thank you.
Oh, I'm like, what are we doing?
4 ounces of cream soda. Ooh. There we go. And then we're gonna do a half of a lime.
Mm-hmm.
Take that little nipple off. Sorry. I love it when I get a juicy lime.
Oh my god!
Okay.
Soak it up with some cotton candy. That's a juicy lime.
Yeah, we're gonna chill this off. A little bit of ice. Okay.
I'm so excited.
And we're just gonna pour right over the cotton candy. There we go.
I'm excited.
Here we go.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh. That is gonna be so
Wow. Okay, so then we are going to just top it
Top
off
it
with a
with cotton
little bit
candy.
of cotton candy here. Here we go. A little bit. Now that's not what I saw online. A little bit of a garnish. Give it a little bit of a garnish. Look at all those beautiful colors. I love it. There you go.
I'm excited.
The cotton candy margarita. Oh, wow. I like linking your adult self with the child inside. If you have a sweet tooth, then this drink is for you.
I'm gonna need to schedule a dentist appointment.
Yes, Queen Bee approved.